Hello traders. Welcome back to the channel. In the morning, we predicted that Nifty would remain flat to positive, supported by global cues like positive US, positive Asia, flat positive Europe, and a stable USD INR. Now that the market has closed, let's break down exactly how Nifty behaved and compare it with our morning outlook. Morning prediction recap. Our morning analysis suggested Nifty direction: flat positive to positive, stable global cues, no major negative triggers. Expected range bound to mildly positive opening. This gave us confidence that Nifty would attempt to stay in the green or remain around flat zones. Today's Nifty movement. Let's look at today's actual Nifty behavior based on the chart you see here. The market opened near previous close, exactly as expected, flat to mild positive. The initial candle showed stability with neither bullish nor bearish dominance. Between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., Nifty remained sideways, respecting the flat movement we predicted. However, in the second half, selling pressure gradually picked up. By late afternoon, Nifty dropped to around 25,860, closing in the red. So the first half matched our prediction perfectly, while the second half saw a profit booking fall. How our prediction matched? Let's compare prediction vs reality. Flat to positive opening exactly as expected. The market opened flat and remained steady. Positive bias in the first half. The market traded sideways with small green attempts, matching our projected behavior. Unexpected second half sell-off. This is where the deviation happened. Although global cues were positive, domestic volatility and profit booking dragged the market down. Support levels worked. From your earlier chart, NIFTY's fall rested near the support zone around 25,860 to 25,880, validating the levels we discussed in the morning. Why Nifty fell in the afternoon? There were three key reasons behind the afternoon fall. 1. Profit booking. Traders took profits after the morning stability. Though weak mid-cap sentiment, some pressure came from mid-cap or small-cap pockets. 3. No follow-through buying. Although cues were positive, buyers didn't show strong push at higher levels. This led to a controlled, technical fall, not panic selling. Technical breakdown. Looking at price action. Nifty stayed above 26,000 early, but failed to break key intraday resistance, formed lower highs from midday, and finally broke intraday support, leading to a slide toward 25,860. Importantly, Nifty respected the major support zone, which is a good sign for tomorrow. Market sentiment check. Overall sentiment remains neutral in the morning, slightly weak in the afternoon, but structurally stable because strong supports haven't been broken. This suggests tomorrow can again open flat or with a small bounce. Coming to final conclusion, to wrap up, our morning prediction was accurate for the first half, and today's fall was more of a profit-booking technical move rather than a sentiment change. Nifty respected the support zone beautifully, which sets up an important day tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this analysis, hit the like button, share it with traders, and subscribe for daily pre-market and post-market videos.